Understanding, on target, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to discuss, on target. This is a phrase that you might come across in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and how to use it can really enhance your English communication skills. So, let's dive right in and explore this phrase together. The phrase, on target, consists of two words, on and target. Here, on is a preposition, and target is a noun which means a goal or an objective. When these two words come together, they create a phrase that describes a situation where something is progressing well and is likely to achieve its goals or objectives. 2.1 in work and projects. In a work setting or when talking about projects, on target means that everything is going according to plan. For example, the project is on target to be completed by the end of the month. 2.2 in sales and business. In sales or business, being on target refers to meeting the set goals or quotas. For instance, our sales team is on target to reach this quarter's goals. 2.3 in personal goals. This phrase can also be applied to personal goals and achievements. For example, I've been going to the gym regularly, and I'm on target to lose 10 pounds this month. Sometimes people might confuse on target with being finished or completed, but it actually means that you are on the right path to meet your goal, not that the goal has already been met. Let's go through a few examples together. The construction of the new building is on target. It should be done by next year. She has been saving money diligently and is on target to buy her new car in 6 months. In these sentences, on target highlights the positive progress toward a goal. That brings us to the end of our video on the phrase, on target. I hope this has clarified its meaning and usage for you, and that you feel more confident using it in your own English conversations. Remember, learning English is a journey, and you are doing great. Keep practicing, and you will continue to improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video, and until then, keep practicing.